everyone, I'm Saloni from Creo and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about gaming keyboards, and since they're a world of their own, we've decided to break this down into a series. In part 1, I'm going to be talking to you about the two different types of gaming keyboards out there, that is membrane and mechanical. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So in the first segment, I'm going to be talking to you about the construction and feel of each of these keyboards. Now for a membrane keyboard, it is a single membrane or a rubber dome layer. So what happens is the membrane beneath the key collapses every single time you press it, completing a circuit and registering the keystroke. So think of it like a sheet of bubble wrap. The entire keyboard is that, and every single time you press any of the keys, it's like pressing or like bursting a bubble on that sheet. So it has a very soft, very quiet experience, and at the same time you cannot really get that sort of feedback. So you won't have like a very solid click sound. A membrane keyboard is exactly what is on your laptop. Why don't you go ahead and type on your laptop? Now for a mechanical keyboard, there are individual mechanical switches for each of these keys. So it uses things like spring, housing, stem, and all of these are activated by physical movement. Now let's talk about cost and durability. A membrane keyboard is usually very cost effective and it goes very easy on the pocket, but at the same time it isn't very durable. It doesn't last very long. Now coming to mechanical keyboards, these are the real deal. They are slightly more expensive than a membrane keyboard, but trust me when I say this, they're gonna last a lifetime and millions of keystrokes, and you will have an absolutely fabulous experience typing on them. The good part about mechanical keyboards is also the fact that you can change the switches whenever you like, and they come in different types of switches: red, brown, blue, and depending on what sort of experience you want for yourself, you can change these accordingly. Next up, let's talk about the weight. The weight of a membrane keyboard is naturally much lighter than that of a mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboards, like I had said, have individual switches for each of the keys. They tend to be slightly heavier. Finally, let's talk about gaming. Now for a membrane keyboard, there is a lack of responsiveness which any gamer would not prefer at all. So if you are someone who's just starting out into gaming, or if you are a seasoned gamer, then you would know that membrane keyboards are not your go-to. And without a doubt, I think this goes without saying, mechanical keyboards are the winners and the champions, whatever you'd like to call them, when it comes to what keyboard to use while gaming. To cut a long story short, they're precise and their responsiveness makes them a better choice over a membrane keyboard, especially during gaming, of course. If you are someone who likes a quieter experience and wants to go a little easy on the pocket, then I think you should go for a membrane keyboard. But if you are someone who wants a more durable keyboard and a tactile feedback and something that's going to last you forever, especially as a gamer, then I think you should most definitely go for a mechanical keyboard. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching right till the end. If you are still here, please stay tuned for the next one, where I'm going to be talking to you in detail about mechanical keyboards and what goes into building one. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it. See you next time. Bye. जब ये भी टाइप करते हैं मुझे तो बहुत annoying लगता है.